glad for at møde dig. Okay, så jeg er glad for at møde. Say the mø thing again. And møde. M. Okay. And O with a slash. Well, that's nothing. That's not a letter. So how do you say O with a When you're drunk, you can't do it. Anyway. Die. Is there a th at the end? Th. Stop it. M and E. What? E. Møde. There's a sort of a møde. Die. I can do die. Møde. Okay, so jeg er glad for at møde dig.